To enable clients to respond quickly to situations that need attention, you must configure a VMS to detect problems and then send emails and text messages to the proper resources. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to set up an email to receive notifications. First, we'll expand the Rules and Events node. Then, we'll right-click on Notification Profiles and click Add Notification Profile. Let's give it a name and click Next. Now, we'll enter the recipient's email address. You can enter multiple email addresses separated by semicolons, but we'll enter just one for now. Type the subject text. Milestone makes it easy to create a message with variables that describe the problem. We want to add some variables now, so we'll click Rule Name. A variable for trigger name is included in the message text. Click Trigger Time to add that variable. Click Device Name. The content of the message is now complete, so we can click Finish. You just saw how to set up an email to receive notifications. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.